Today on Pillow Talk with the Mattress King, I'm going to explain to you what motion separation is and how important that is when you're selecting a mattress. So first example I'm going to show you is a traditional Innerspring. With traditional Innersprings, as you can see, we have these hand ties here. What that does is when your partner gets into bed with you, as you can see, the other side is going to get bouncy. So I'm going to have my mattress Prince rather aggressively jump into bed and show how that stays erect, but as you can see, it kind of wobbled side to side there. My next example is going to be hybrid technology. So hybrid technology is still Innerspring, but as you can see, we have a pocketed coil technology here, which is going to give you a better motion separation as in comparison to the hand tie. As you can see, I can hit each coil separately, and as I'm hitting over here, we're not getting a lot of movement. And then what makes it a hybrid is having memory foam on top. Traditional Innerspring with new technology and memory foam on top. So again, I'm going to have my mattress Prince rather aggressively jump into bed. As you can see, it barely moves on that hybrid technology. Lastly, we're going to show you Tempur-Pedic technology. And what that is straight up memory foam. As you can see here, I'm going to have Peter again rather aggressively jump into bed, and you can see it virtually doesn't even move. So when selecting a bed, keep that in mind. When you see that really cheap bed, you're gonna have, and you're sleeping with a partner, you're probably gonna have bad motion separation versus a Tempur-Pedic. When you're getting into bed, you're not gonna be waking your partner in the middle of the night. Thank you for joining for Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. I'll talk to you guys next week.